Okay, today we're going to work on geometric constraints. Geometric constraints can be applied to Autodesk 2D sketches to make the sketches behave in ways that we want to. So I've logged into the remote system. I have logged into Canvas. I'm going to go to the assignment, geometric constraints. So it says log into the VMware server. You should have already done that, but if not, go ahead and do that now. And then log into Canvas from the remote server. Download the file geometric constraints. So I'm going to go ahead and download that file now. Open Autodesk Inventor and then open the drawing file. Follow the directions in this video to apply geometric constraints to the attached Inventor drawing file. Save the completed drawing file and then upload it to submit. This is going to be one of the few times you're not going to take a screenshot. You're going to actually upload the completed drawing file. So I've downloaded the file. I'm going to go ahead and open up Autodesk Inventor. If you get the license request, you guys know all capital CTE-demo. If not, hopefully you'll go right in. Okay, so I'm in Autodesk Inventor. I'm going to go to Open. I'm going to look in my Downloads folder. And there's geometric constraints, the drawing file. So we'll go ahead and double click on that, open this up. It's coming along, taking its dear sweet time. There it goes. So this is a drawing file that has 12 different drawings on it that we're going to use to apply geometric constraints on. The first thing we have to do is go over here to Sketch 1, right click, and say edit. We can now edit this sketch. So we're going to follow the directions on each one, applying geometric constraints up here to each drawing to complete the activity. So first one says make perpendicular. So we have two lines here that we need to make perpendicular. Let's go to our geometric constraints. In here we see the perpendicular constraint. Click on that and then click on both lines. It is now perpendicular. Very cool. So the next one, make all three lines parallel to one another. So over here we see the parallel constraint. Click on that. Then click on all three lines in turn. Now all three are parallel. You can see the parallel constraints right here that are showing up. Okay, dimension circle number 3 to a diameter of 2 inches. So let's do that first. We're going to use our dimension tool. Circle number 3, it's right now at 0.736. We're going to say we want that at 2. Enter, and it increases the size of that circle. Fix circles 1 and 2, and then make 3 tangent to 1 and 2. So we're going to fix 1 and 2. So we're going to go up here to our fix constraint, the little lock. Click on that. Click on circle 1. And then click on circle 2. Now they're both fixed. And then we're going to go to our tangent constraint. Click on that. Say I want to make circle 1 tangent to 3, and then circle 2 tangent to 3 as well. And there you go. We've completed the third one. So we still have our tangent constraint selected. We can move right on to the fourth. Make circle tangent to both lines. So we want to make the circle tangent to lines. So we're going to click on the circle first. In one of the lines, it increases the size of that circle. That's okay. Circle again, and the other line. It moves the circle up. There we go. And that one. So this one, the fifth one down here, is a little confusing. It says fix point C and make endpoints A and B coincident with C. Well, endpoints A and B are actually off the lines. They actually intend for the end of this line and the end of this line to be fixed on point C. So we're going to fix point C first. Okay, point C is fixed. So now we're going to use the coincident constraint, which is right here. The coincident constraint in the upper left-hand corner. So we're going to click on that and say I want the end of this line coincident with this, and the end of this line coincident with that. There you go. That's how you do that one. Okay, make circles concentric. We have our concentric constraint. So we're going to click on the small circle first and then the next largest, and it moves that inside. Again, the small circle and the largest circle. Now all three circles are sharing the same center. They are concentric. Make lines collinear. We're going to use the collinear constraint, which is going to add these two lines to the end of each other, this line and this line. And now they're collinear. There you go. Make lines horizontal. Again, we're going to use the horizontal constraint right here. Click on that. Click on one, click on two, and there you go. Same thing with this one, only vertical. So we're going to click on our vertical constraint. This line, and this line. If it lets me do that. There we go. All three lines are vertical. Very cool. Make an equilateral triangle. So we're going to use this equal tool. So we're going to make this line equal to this line and equal to this line. Now we have an equilateral triangle. Make the circles the same size. Again, we're going to use the equal. So we're going to click on this, we're going to click on this, and they're now the same size. Line up the centers of the circles on the same horizontal plane. We're going to use our horizontal constraint because we want them to be on the same horizontal plane. Click on the circle, center, there they go. And there they go. That is how you complete this. Now we're going to go to File, Save As. I'm sorry, we have to finish sketch first. And then File, Save As. You're just going to add your last name to the end of this. And then save it in your downloads. And then you're going to go back into here. I'm going to have to change it a little bit. Settings. I'm going to give you a student view so you can see exactly how to do this. Student view. So I'm going to go to my assignments. You should already be there. Geometric constraints. Click Submit Assignment. Choose File. I'm going to go to my downloads. And I'm going to choose the file with my name on it that I just completed. And I'm going to do that and then Submit Assignment. That's how you complete this assignment. Pretty easy and straightforward. Good luck. Have fun with it.